I was downtown about Farragut Square about noon today and was just knocked flat with a bad case of spring fever. It's tough out there.
Hard to come back, wasn't it?
It really is, yeah. Absolutely.
Clay hasn't come back since yesterday.
Absolutely. You know, Doug, spring fever is a good thing where you can come downtown and enjoy the cherry blossoms, which is what everyone is doing this afternoon. I think everyone took half the day off and decided to come down. Now, not only are the cherry blossoms in bloom, but the Smithsonian will have the kites flying tomorrow, so you don't want to miss that also tomorrow. A splendid way to enjoy Saturday, to bring the kids and some of the older ones, folks, outside as well. Afternoon high temperatures, as we talk about the weather for this Friday afternoon, we reached well into the 60s across the Washington, D.C. area. In fact, some of the areas to the south and west picked up temperatures in the 70s. Afternoon highs across the area into the 60s and 70s. As we take a look outside right now for what our temperatures are, we take a look at the visible satellite imagery, and that has temperatures across the area showing now nice and clear. So we will continue to enjoy just some great weather outside for us as we enjoy ourselves here. You know, the crowds are always gathering. Everybody enjoying themselves? Yeah. Now I can't hear you. Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah. Okay. Now, see, I've got the best job in the world. I know you guys want to come out here and enjoy it. I know you're jealous, Susan. I know you are.
And you're absolutely right. But that's okay. Give me another, about 33 minutes. I'll be out there.
We'll be waiting for you.
He's doing everything but taking credit for this weather.
Yes, he is.
Yeah. Why can't we have it Saturday and Sunday when it's sunny, hot, and humid? Now, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, most of us are back at work across the area, but still, when you get off from work, you'll be able to enjoy pretty nice afternoons and evenings for the next several days. Folks got a chance to walk around lunchtime today here across the area, had a chance to take a break, sit back, enjoy the sunshine, catching some rays, as they say. High temperature 80 degrees, average about 82, record high 98 degrees. We just might see a 90-degree day before this week is done. As temperatures land at Reagan National, temperature outside is now 78 degrees. Dew points are in the 60s. It is starting to get rather humid outside right now. Southerly breeze at 8 miles per hour and a rather steady barometer. Now, the clouds this morning didn't take long to have them burn off as that high pressure and the sun angle burned off some of the clouds. High pressure took control from Pennsylvania all the way down to the Virginia Piedmont, and the temperatures have been cooperating. Right now, 78 degrees for us, 79 for Hagerstown. It is 80 degrees in Philadelphia, 76 degrees for New York City. Even Pittsburgh and western Pennsylvania, they're showing a temperature of 80 degrees. Outside, we'll show you no rain showers at all. Temperature outside right now, again, 79 degrees currently is our temperature here. And we'll show you as you go home this afternoon, really warming up down to our South Stafford at 82 degrees. Even Winchester and Martinsburg across the spine of the Shenandoah Valley, their temperatures are in the 80s. No rain showers at all. Live Doppler 3D as we scan the skies for the commute home. I-95 from Baltimore across the Highway 50 and Interstate 66, not picking up any showers at all. Temperatures across the nation, it's warm everywhere as that dome of high pressure jet stream well to our north. Speaking of temperatures, 96 in Denver, Colorado, 103 for Phoenix, so the heat will build from the west to the east. High pressure again, the clouds move from the west to the east. After a weekend of cloudy conditions, we will start to see some sunshine and a definite change as the high pressure sits on top of the eastern seaboard. Humid air, moist humid air, southwesterly flow comes in from the Gulf of Mexico, and rain showers days away. Futurecast, time to talk forecast, everyone. We're looking at a southerly breeze that will start tonight. Clear skies tonight. Wake up to sunshine and some very warm temperatures with that. Temperatures tonight in the suburbs in the 50s, about 57 degrees in the outlying areas, about 65 degrees in town. For tomorrow, temperatures start to take off from the low to mid 80s. We'll pick up that southwesterly breeze, getting warmer and warmer. Now, the UV index will be in the 7 category tomorrow, which is high. Air quality index, the AQI, cold yellow, which is moderate, which is normal for this time of year. And for Wednesday, the heat really digs in. Southwesterly breezes, temperatures from the mid 80s to the low 90s. For the rest of the week, we will stay on the humid side until the next front approaches from the west. That means Thursday afternoon and evening, isolated chance of showers. A better chance will be Friday, of course, as a work week ends. Saturday and Sunday, a slight chance, as of now, just a slight chance of a rumble of thunder Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures will be in the 80s, lows in the 60s, and Monday we'll continue to have seasonal highs in the 80s. So after a very rather dismal weekend, that's probably a good way to describe it. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Nice to have a string of some warm temperatures.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Thanks, Clay.
Thanks, Clay.
Columbia at Union Station, the snow is falling. I'll let you know how much is already on the ground in a live report.
News 4 meteorologist Clay Anderson has been out and about this morning. He joins us live from Union Station. Clay, good morning.
Good morning, Barbara and Joe. Good morning to all of you. As Tom Kieran mentioned earlier, about 4 to 8 inches of snow before it's all done. The National Weather Service has kept us under a winter storm warning. We're going to measure the snow right now here inside the district and let you know how much snow has fallen in town. As we drop the stick, we're going to take a couple measurements. I'm looking at 5 inches of snow. Well, that's more snow than I thought has already fallen. We'll take one more measurement. Yes, we're looking at about 5 inches of snow has fallen already in the district. Now the roads, the District of Columbia says they have over 170 trucks out on the road, but snow emergency will be in effect at 9:30. In other words, if you live on a street with this sign, then that means that you're going to have to move your cars by about 9:30 this morning, because the snow emergency route means that they will be clearing it. Over 100 salt and sand trucks will start to make that move. They'll be clearing out the area. So if you're living here in the district, you'll have to move your car because they're going to have to plow the main arteries across the area. Now, we started out in DuPont Circle earlier this morning just to let you know that the roads inside the District of Columbia are still snow-covered, snow-packed, and we're talking major roads as well. Also took a look at Massachusetts Avenue. So we'll keep you posted here in the district. Joe and Barbara reporting live from Union Station. Back to you.
Love that hat.
Well, I'm trying to keep warm, Barbara.
Yeah, it looks good on you. Okay.
Look like Jean-Louis on the Champs-Élysées down there.
Working for you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right.